Hello YouTube, my name is Froilan and welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today we're going to do another unboxing, so stick around. Before we continue with the video, let me just tell you about a brand new giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your size. All you need to do is watch, like, and comment on all our videos this October from the 1st to the 31st. And please check all the other mechanics in the description box down below. If you recall on one of my past unboxing video, I told you guys that I made 3 pickups last month of September, and I already unboxed and reviewed 2 of the sneakers that I picked up. But there's a slight delay on the 3rd one, so I was supposed to get it earlier this week or late last week, but there's a delay. However, it came in just this morning, and here it is. So let's open it up. So there you go. It's the Yeezy Boost 700 V2 in the hospital blue colorway. And this was released last September 28th. And I was supposed to get this, to get my pair earlier. I got it from Yeezy Supply, but there was a delay on the shipping, so I wasn't able to get it right away. So anyway, it's here now, and I'm excited to review it for you guys. So let's take a look. So the whole shoe is in this all over bluish-grey or grayish blue color. I think this color is called livid. Anyway, it's a very cool color. It's cool to the eye, so it's not bright and it doesn't pop that much. So it's like a very neutral color. So anyway, the upper is made out of the base of the upper is made out of this canvas material, and it's a very stiff material, like a knit or a padded mesh. So this one is stiff. There's a lot of suede overlays on the toe area, lace loops, lateral, medial side mud guards, and here at the heel cup area. And there's a lot of fuse overlays here in 3M. Here in this the same blue color, felt overlay here on the 3 stripes, then the reflective overlay here on this lining here, then the same reflective overlay here that is also in the perforation there. So it's there's a lot of layering, and the tongue is also made out of this canvas material, and it's lightly padded. Also, the ankle area is lightly padded, so that's the main difference between the V1 and the V2. The V1, the upper is padded all over. The V2, just the tongue and the ankle area. So in essence, the V2 is lighter than the V1. So I don't know by how much, but it feels lighter to me. So anyway, the midsole is in the same color. It's your typical Yeezy 700 midsole with the cutouts, and on this cutout here, it's a lighter shade of the same color, and on the oval cutouts, it's there's a silver paint there, hits of silver, and also here on the lining here. So this silver part, I'm not sure if I think it's not reflective material or reflective paint. And then your outsole is your black rubber outsole, your typical Yeezy 700 outsole with the cutouts and the herringbone pattern. And that's it for the shoe. So what do I think about the Yeezy 700 V2 in hospital blue? I think I like the color. I think the color is very cool to the eye and very neutral. I think I can match this with a lot of my wardrobe. I think this goes very well with olive, dark green, dark brown colors, and maybe your typical dark denim. I'm not sure with black. I'm sure it goes well with black pants as well, but I think khaki it won't. So anyway, we'll sort that thing out. This is my first time to own a V2, so I don't know how it feels on foot. I'm sure it's gonna be comfortable, but it's lighter than the V1. That's how it feels to me. It's gonna be lighter, but the material it's stiffer, so I don't know what that will feel on foot when I use it on this week's Fitness Fridays. So for this month of October, during Fitness Fridays, I'll use my pickups. I'll use non-performance sneakers to do performance stuff. So anyway, that's new for this month, maybe this month and next month. So anyway, as just like any other Yeezy 700 V1 or V2, this retailed for $300 US, and there's no resale value for this particular colorway. And yeah, that's it. So anyway, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, follow us on all our social media accounts. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. Again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.